Your Blazer EV update failed, the screens are dead, and you're wondering if the whole car is broken. It's not. The car will drive, but a specific part is stuck, and it's causing a hidden problem. The issue is with a part called the A11 Radio Module. Think of it as the dedicated brain for your infotainment system. It runs every display you see: the center screen, the instrument cluster, and the heads-up display. This module is separate from the computers that handle braking, steering, and acceleration, which is why the car still feels normal to drive. When the over-the-air update fails, usually stalling between 50 and 60%, it corrupts the radio's software. The module gets stuck trying to restart itself over and over in a boot loop. You can't see or hear it, but this loop keeps the vehicle's main communication network awake, even when the car is parked and off. That constant activity is slowly and silently draining your 12-volt battery. Before you go to the dealer, there are two temporary things you can try. First, if you can get to your settings, disable the fast boot option. Second, press and hold the hang-up button on your steering wheel for about 10 seconds. This forces a hard reset of the infotainment system. This might bring your screens back for a little while, but it does not fix the underlying software problem. When you get to the dealership, tell them your over-the-air update failed and mention service campaign N232428130. They will first try a USB-based recovery flash to fix the software. If the module's memory is too damaged, it will need to be replaced. If they do replace it, your infotainment system will be reset to factory settings, erasing your personal profiles and apps. The biggest risk of ignoring this is the battery drain. Eventually, you'll be left with a dead 12-volt battery and a car that won't start at all. So, if your update fails and the screens go dark, get it scheduled for service.